ॐ यदविद्याविलासेन भूतभौतिकसृष्टयः तन्नौमि परमात्मानं सच्चिदानन्दविग्रहम् शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। वेदांत परिभाषा विषय परिच्छेद। What is the Vishaya of Vedanta Paribhasha? Jiva Brahma Aikya is being discussed. Which is the Vishaya of Vedanta? Page number 206. It was shown that there is no Pratyaksha Pramana Virodha, Anumana Pramana Virodha, no Agama Virodha also. Now we are seeing that there is no Arthapatti Virodha. Tika, fifth line from bottom, Nanu Agni Dharmasya Aushnyasya Jalada Varopat Pratiti Ratrakasya Dharmasya Ityashankya Aha. Jala is Shita, cold by nature, but if there is Agni, Upadhi for that Jalam, Jala will have Aushnyam. So the Aushnyam in Jala is not Swabhavikam, is Agantukam. In the same way, Kartrutva Bhoktrutva, Vikaritva in Jiva is Agantuka because of Antakarana Upadhi. In Moolam, second last line, Yadi cha Jaladau Aushnyam Aropitam Tada Prakrite api tulyam. Just as in Jala Adi, Aushnyam is Aropitam, the heat is superimposed there. In the same way, Prakrite is Nirguna Jiva, how it will have Kartrutvadi. So it is said it is because of the Antakarana Upadhi. And in the same way, Brahma, Chaitanya, Nirguna gets Ishwaratva Dharma also. So as Jiva, Antakarana Dharma in the form of Kartrutva, Bhoktrutva, Alpagnyatva, Alpashaktimatva or Alpashakti, and Ishwar will have Sarvagnyatva, Sarvashakti, Jagat Karanatva. All these are because of Upadhi. Swayam Chaitanya is always Swabhavataha Nitya Shuddha Buddha, Nirguna, Nirvikara, Nirakara. Tika, Antakarana Dharmasya Kartrutvader Bhana Sambhavat Prakriti api etat tulyam ityartha. Antakarana Dharma is Kartrutva, its Bhanam is happening in Atma because of what kind of Adhyasa?
Swarupa and Sansarga.
Swarupa and Sansarga Adhyasa. Any other way? That is correct. Swarupa Adhyasa, Sansarga Adhyasa. Here it is because it is given Antakarana Dharma. Antakarana Dharmasya, to Dharma Adhyasa and Dharmi Adhyasa. Antakarana Dharma Kartrutva, its Adhyasa, and the two Dharmis, Atma and Antakarana, Chaitanya and Antakarana, Dharmi Adhyasa Purvaka Dharma Adhyasa. Any Adhyasa you can give based on the context. Kartrutva is a Dharma of Antakarana, not Dharma of Atma, but the Dharma of Antakarana is appearing in Atma. So It is possible only when there is dharma and dharmi adhyasa. ननु आत्मतादात्म्यापन्नस्यैव अंतःकरणस्यापि कर्तृत्वादि धर्मकत्वात् तद व्यतिरिक्ते अनात्मनि क्वापि कर्तृत्वादेर अप्रमितत्वात् कथम आरोप इत्याशंक्य परिहरति। आत्मतादात्म्यापन्नस्य एव अंतःकरणस्यापि कर्तृत्वादि धर्मकत्वात्। When is antahkarana able to have kartrutvam? Only if there is reality given to antahkarana. So swarupadhyasa, it gets the existence from Atma. Then it gets chaitanya, because of which there is activity possible. So kartrutva is there. So somebody is asking, only when there is Atma and antahkarana adhyasa, then Atma tadatmyapanasya eva antahkaranasya kartrutvadi dharmakatva. Without adhyasa, kartrutva itself is not possible in Atma. Tad vyatirikte anatmani, tad vyatirikte Atma tadatmyapanna atirikte anatmani क्वापि कर्तृत्वादेहे अप्रमितत्वात्. Anywhere कर्तृत्व is not seen in only jada vastu like antahkarana. So katham आरोपः इति आशंक्य परिहरति। न च सिद्धान्ते कर्तृत्वस्य क्वचिदपि अभावात् आरोप्य प्रमाहित संस्काराभावे कथम आरोप इति वाच्यम्। सिद्धान्ते कर्तृत्वस्य क्वचिदपि अभावात्। So Purvapakshi will ask in this way. If kartrutva is there somewhere, then its aropa will happen in Atma. But if you say kartrutva is there in antahkarana, kartrutva is there in antahkarana only because of adhyasa with Atma. Without adhyasa with Atma, kartrutva is not possible in antahkarana. Then that kartrutva is superimposed again in Atma. So क्वचिदपि अभावात् आरोप्य प्रमाहित, let me just check. आरोप्य प्रमाहित संस्कारा भावे कथम आरोप. The आरोप्य samskara has to be pramahita. Pramahita means there has to be pramajnanam and then it should be superimposed. So that pramajanya samskara itself is not there. How there can be adhyasa? Katham aropa? Iti na cha vachyam. Siddhanti says, you don't need pramajanya samskara. You need only samskara. In Brahma Sutra, all this is discussed. In Adhyasa Bhashya, that pramajanya samskara is not needed. Samskara can be from Bhranti. You can see a sarpa in a picture and you can be Brahmita. Then that samskara will cause superimposition on Rajju. So Adhyasa is possible there. यथा सूर्यादि किरण संपर्कात् प्रतीयमानमपि जलादिकं घटादिनिष्ठं न तु सूर्यादिनिष्ठं तथा आत्मसंबंधात् प्रतीयमानमपि कर्तृत्वादिकम् अंतःकरणनिष्ठमेव न तु आत्मनिष्ठम्। सूर्य किरण संपर्कात्, if there is a घट in which there is jalam, jaladikam pratyamanam, there are some pathantaras, pratyamanam api jaladikam or niladikam घटादिनिष्ठम न तो सूर्यादिनिष्ठम। The pratibimb in the jala which is kept in ghata, that dharma which is appearing will be in the ghatanistha surya pratibimba. It will not affect the surya. Like that, any adhyasa will affect antakarana, not atma. So atma sambandhat pratyamanam kartrutvam is in antakaranam. Antakarana nishtham eva na tu atma nishtham. तस्य कूटस्थत्वात्, आत्मा इज कूटस्थ। ततः पृथक् क्वापि अप्रमितस्य कर्तृत्वादेः आत्मनि आरोपे नास्ति बाधकम्। एंड दैट कर्तृत्व विच इज अन्यत्र अप्रमित, whose prama is not there elsewhere, that कर्तृत्वादेः आत्मनि आरोप, in that there is no बाधकम्, नास्ति बाधकम्। Why? तत्र आरोप्य गोचर संस्कार मात्रस्यैव हेतुत्वात्। All we need is आरोप्य विषयक संस्कार, आरोप्य गोचर संस्कार. Whether they are pramajanya or bhranti-janya, it does not matter. What is hetu in adhyasa is some such thing should happen. So antakarana or some other entity which has satya kartrutva, bhoktrutva, then that comes in antakarana, then it comes in atma. That is not necessary. Or you should also not think that at least antakarana should have satya kartrutva, satya bhoktrutva. That is also mithya. Now some other question comes. So laghavena aropya vishaya samskaratvena eva tasya hetutva. What is laghavam is only aropya vishaya samskara, not pramajanya aropya vishaya samskara. Prama is not needed. ननु अस्तु अस्मिन् कर्तृत्व आरोपे पूर्व प्रतीत कर्तृत्वादि संस्कारो हेतु तत्रापि तथाभूतः तथापि प्राथमिक आरोपो दुर्घट इत्याशंक्य परिहरति. So now this is the usual question that astu asmin kartrutva arope purva pratita kartrutva adi samskaro hetu. At present, if in atma antakarana kartrutva is seen, how did it come? They say because of the previous samskara. So for the previous samskara, what was the hetu? Tatrapi tathabhutaha. Tathabhuta means purva pratita kartrutvadi samskara. Tatrapi, in that time what happened? Tathabhuta. So purva pratita kartrutvadi samskara. So tathapi prathamika aropa. How did the first samskara come? That is impossible to explain now. Durghata iti ashanke pariharati na cha prathamika arope kagatihi. You should not ask such question. What about the first adhyasa of the antakarana kartrutva in atma? How did the first samskara come to begin with? So he says, don't ask such questions. Why I should not ask? कर्तृत्वादि अध्यास प्रवाहस्य अनादित्वात्. The कर्तृत्वादि अध्यास is प्रवाहस्य अनादित्वात्. So that pravaha is beginningless. How did the first one come? It is just like if you ask, how did the first seed come to produce the tree? And how did the tree come which produced the fruit which has seeds? It is anadi. It is beginningless. How did deha? Deha came first or karma? Karma produced deha or deha produced karma? It is yes. One deha will produce next karma, which will produce next deha, then next karma. But when did it start? Anadi. So adhyasa is also anadi. Avidya tachitor yoga. Avidya chaitanya yoga is anadi. न च प्राथमिकारोपे कापि गतिर्नास्ति इति न च इत्यर्थः. That in prathamika aropa, in the first adhyasa, there is no gati. Means you don't have any explanation. Is not true. We have explanation. कर्तृत्वादि अध्यास प्रवाहस्य अनादित्वेन कस्यापि आरोपस्य प्राथम्य असिद्ध्या तत्र पृथक् गतेः अवक्तव्यत्वात् इत्याह. कर्तृत्वादि अध्यास प्रवाहस्य अनादित्वेन. कर्तृत्वादि अध्यास प्रवाह इज अनादि. अनादित्वेन कस्यापि आरोप्यस्य प्राथम्य असिद्ध्या. So which aropa is first one, that itself you cannot do siddhi. Which one is the first one? There is no first one. Prathamya asiddhya tatra pruthak gatehe avaktavyatvat. So you don't have to answer what about the first adhyasa. There is no first one. You cannot establish what is first. So somebody may think, oh, this, you are not answering the right question. You just are avoiding the question. We are not avoiding the question. What we are saying is, when we say something is beginningless, means in avidya, how things happen, for that there is no clear explanation. Why in Rajju, somebody will see Sarpa and somebody will see Danda and somebody will see Udakadhara. So they have some such samskaras. How did those samskaras come? Because of some previous adhyasa. So everything is because of such anadi adhyasa parampara. Nanu astu evam tathapi. So now this topic is complete. Now he comes back to the main Vishaya, Brahma Atma Aikya. So Kartrutwadi are mithya in Atma, in Jiva, Jagat Karanatva, Sarvajnatva, etc. are mithya in Ishvara, Tatpada, Twampada, both are ready. Nanu astu evam tathapi katham viruddha dharma krantayor jiveshwarayor aikyam iti ashankya. Okay, so let there be adhyasa, beginningless, etc. But they have viruddha dharma, jiva and ishvara. Viruddha dharma akrantayoho jiveshwarayoho aikyam katham. How do you say they have aikyam? Iti ashankyaha tattvamasi. Tattvam padavachyayor vishishtayor aikyayoge api lakshya swarupayor aikyam upapaditameva. Between the tatpada and twampada vachyartha vishishtayoho. Vishishta vachyartha has aikya ayoga. But lakshya swarupayoho aikyam is there. That is already upapaditam. We have already discussed and established. यतो लक्ष्य स्वरूप ऐक्यम अतएव सोयम देवदत्तः प्रकृष्ट प्रकाशश्चंद्रः इत्यादि वाक्यवत् तत्त्वमसि सत्यं ज्ञानमनन्तम् इत्यादि वाक्यानाम् अखंडार्थम इति. So since the lakshya swarupa aikyam is there, therefore atayava soyam devadattah prakrishta prakashash chandra. So those who are attending Brahma Sutra, this is familiar to them. Ityadi vakyavat tattvamasi satyam jnanam anantam. All these vakyas, they are akhandartha pratipadaka vakya. Drishtanta and Darshtanta both are given. Nacha asti, now somebody says anupalabdhi virodha. Nacha asti anupalabdhi virodha. Anupalabdhi pramanam. What is the swarupa of anupalabdhi?
Upapadya jnanena upapadaka kalpanam.
And what is the swarupa of arthapatti? What you gave the answer is for?
Arthapatti.
So upalabdhi pramana?
ज्ञानकरणेन अज्ञान अभाव
ज्ञान अकरणक exact definition. I had mentioned what is the yogyata because it has to be yogya anupalabdhi. ज्ञान करण अजन्य अभाव अनुभव असाधारण कारणम अनुपलब्धि रूपम प्रमाणम. So ज्ञान करण अजन्य अभाव अनुभव is अनुपलब्धि ज्ञानम. तस्य असाधारणम कारणम अनुपलब्धि प्रमाणम. This is there on 145. ज्ञान करण अजन्य अभाव अनुभव. This is anupalabdhi. So now Siddhanti Purvapakshi saying there is anupalabdhi virodha. How? The bheda is there between Jiva and Ishvara or Tatpada and Tvampada Vachyartha. Abheda Jnanam is not available. Abhedasya anupalabdhi. Abheda abhava is recognized. Therefore, anupalabdhi virodha. So Siddhanti says no. Tamasa avrutasya ghatasya anupalabdhe tad abhava anishchayakatva. This is the Drishtanta. Siddhanti will give. In Andhakara, if Ghata is there, Ghatasya anupalabdhe tad abhava anishchayakatva. So that abhava nishchayaka pramana is not there for it. Abhava is anishchayakatva. Ajnanavato abhedasya anupalambasya tad abhava anirnayakatvad iti api drashtavyam. In Andhakara, if Ghata is there, you cannot say Ghata is anupalabhya or Ghatasya anupalabdhi. You cannot say. Why you cannot say?
Not Indriya Pratyaksha.
Not Indriya Pratyaksha. Indriya Pratyaksha, if it is not there, How will you say Ghata is not there? Means Ghatasya abhava anupalabdhihi. How will you recognize it? You will not be able to, because if there is tamas, andhakara, then its upalabdhi yogyata is not there. Pratiyogi prasanjana did you, some of you remember what was discussed? Pratiyogi prasanjana prasanjita tarkitam. तो तर्कित
तार्किक
प्रतियोगी
प्रतियोगी सत्व
तर्कित प्रतियोगी सत्व प्रसंजित
प्रतियोगित्व
प्रतियोगी शुड बी
प्रतियोगी
सत्व प्रसंजित प्रतियोगिकत्वम. Anupalabdhi should be yogya. Ghata, if it is in andhakara, it is not yogya for anupalabdhi. Because in dark room, even if it is present, you cannot know. How can you say it is not present? Ghata is absent. Ghata is not available. In dark room, you will not be able to say it. तो तमसा आवृतस्य घटस्य अनुपलब्धेः तद अभाव अनिश्चयकत्व. घटस्य अभाव निश्चय you cannot do because it is dark. So tad abhava anischayaktvavat, like that, when ajnanam is there and you are not able to know abheda, ajnanavatah abhedasya anupalambhasya tad abhava, that abhava of abheda abhava is anirnayaka. That is not a right conclusion when you are ajnani. So that samasa is explained in Tippani. First he has given couple of different partha, and then he says what partha we have chosen is after looking into multiple texts. See Tippani on 208. Tasyayam arthaha tattvamasyaadi vakyānām akhandartha bodhakatve api तत्पदार्थत्वं पदार्थयोर जीव परमात्मनोः अभेद अनुपलब्धि रूप षष्ठ प्रमाण विरोधात्. तत्त्वमस्यादि वाक्यानां अखंडार्थ बोधकत्वे अपि. तत्त्वमस्यादि वाक्य दे आर अखंडार्थ बोधकत्वे अपि तत्पदार्थत्वं पदार्थयोः जीव परमात्मनोः अभेद अनुपलब्धि रूप षष्ठ प्रमाण विरोधात्. This will be Purvapaksh's argument. अभेद अनुपलब्धि is there. तत्त्वमस्यादि वाक्यानां औपचारिकत्वादि आशंक्य. So therefore Purvapakshi will say this तत्त्वमस्यादि vakya, mahavakya is what you call, they are only upachara matra. Really Vedas doesn't want to say you are Brahma. Nirachaste tikakaraha. So therefore that nirakaranam is done in tika. Nacha asti anupalabdhi virodha. Then that last line on 207 in tika, ajnanavato abhedasya anupalambhasya, that samasa vigraha he does. Ajnanavataha means pramatuhu. Ajnanavan is pramata. जातस्य अभेद अनुपलम्भस्य. the abhed anupalambha, jatasya abhed, jata means what is already existing, utpannasya, abhed anupalambha. Ajnani Pramata will say there is no abhed between Jiva and Ishvara. Anupalambasya, the Shashti is Kartru Karmanoho Kriti Shashti, Kartari Shashti. So the Anupalambha Karta has, so Kartari Shashti has come. Ajnanavataha Pramatuhu Anupalambasya. Karta has Anupalambha. Tad abhavasya tasya, now he explains that abhava. Tad abhavasya means tasya abhedasya abhava. Tasya abhedasya abhava, tad abhava. Tad abhava means abhedasya abhava. Tasya अर्थात भेदस्य अनिर्णायकत्वात्. Abhedasya abhava means bheda. That there is bheda between Jiva and Ishvara that you cannot conclude. Why? Because you are ignorant. When you are well informed and then you say something, then it will be a nirnaya. When you don't know anything and you make statements, your statements has no value. Best is to keep quiet when we don't know things. Pramanenapi yathartha jnanam tattvavida eva jayate. When pramana is there, yathartha jnanam tattvavidaha eva jayate. Tattvavidaha means at least the one who knows how to do the Shastra interpretations, etc. Pramana can be there with so many people. But if they don't know how to use the Shastra, the Jnanam will not take place. Like Vedanta Shastra is available to all Darshanikas, including other Vedanta Acharyas. But everyone did not understand Mahavakya. Everyone doesn't come to this wisdom that I am Brahma. He gives the explanation. Example is very beautiful. Yatha manikarasya ratna tattva sakshatkaraha chakshusha na gopanam iti dhyayam. So a person who is a diamond merchant, only he knows the value of diamond, not a cowherd boy who found a diamond somewhere on the ground in the forest. He thinks I can tie this to my dearest goat or sheep. So that is all he understands the value. But Manikara, Ratnakara, they know what is the importance of this. And they will have Sakshatkar. Immediately they will know the value. And you can see Shastra is available to so many. But everyone doesn't understand the greatness of Shastra. टीका ननु सिद्धे प्रयोजक प्रवृत्त्यादेर अभावात् असंगति ग्रह योगात् क्रियान्वित स्वार्थ पराणामेव प्रामाण्यात् न सिद्धं ब्रह्म वेदांत प्रमेयम् इति प्रभाकर मतम आशंक्य परिहरति. Prabhakara will come. They will say, Siddhe Vastuni Prayojaka Pravrityadehe Abhavat. There is no Prayojaka Pravritti. Pravritti Prayojaka is not there. Why? It is already existing things. So there is no Sangati. Sangati Graha will not be there in Siddha Vastu. Ghato Asti, Gau Asti. What is there to do? So Sangati Graha Ayogat Kriyanvita Swartha Paranam eva Pramanyat. Kriya Anvita Swartha Paranam Padanam eva Pramanyam. Na Siddham Brahma Vedanta Prameyam. So they always have kriyanvit artha. Swarthe pramanyam na. Kriyanvit. इति प्राभाकर मतम आशंक्य परिहरति न च previous vakya at least see in मूलम तत्वं पद वाच्ययोर विशिष्टयोर ऐक्यायोगे अपि लक्ष्य स्वरूपयोर ऐक्यम उपपादितम एव अतएव तत्प्रतिपादक तत्वमस्यादि वाक्यानाम अखंडार्थत्वम देयरफॉर तत्प्रतिपादक तत् मीन्स ऐक्य प्रतिपादक तत्वमस्यादि वाक्यानाम अखंडार्थत्वम सोयम इत्यादि वाक्यवत लाइक सोयम. Now Prabhakara न च कार्यपराणाम एव प्रामाण्यम. They say only कार्यपर वाक्य will have प्रामाण्यम, not other वाक्य. See in टीका at टिप्पणी 1 number. पदानाम वाक्यानाम वा इति शेषः. Why पदानाम वाक्यानाम it is given कार्यपराणाम एव पदानाम वाक्यानाम वा प्रामाण्यम. Because in Nyaya they accept only pada has Shakti, pada will have Pramanya. But Mimamsakas, Vakya is also Pramana. Because Veda Vakyas, the entire Vakya will be taken as Pramanam. Vakya can have Lakshana like that. Not only for Pada. Prabhakara hi ling lot tavyadi bodhya karyanvitanam eva padadinam pramanyam. Prabhakara, they say there has to be some ling lot tavya. Tad bodhya karyanvitanam eva padadinam pramanyam. Other pada, the ling is there, vidiling, lot lakar, tavya, then it is pramana. तथा ही वत्संबधान इति उत्तम वृद्ध वाक्यम उपश्रुत्य प्रवृत्तम मध्यम वृद्धम दृष्ट्वा व्युत्पत्तिसुः बालः व्युत्पित्सुः बालः इदं वाक्यम एतत् क्रियाबोधकम इति अनुमिनोति. So Uttama Vriddha is there, Madhyama Vriddha is there, Bala is there. Uttama Vriddha will say, Vatsam Badhana, tie this calf. So Madhyama Vriddha will do it. Bala is watching child. So he will understand. He is a Vyutpitsu. He is eager to know what is happening. Child, you know how his eyes are. Balaha idam vakyam etat kriya bodhakam. Vatsam Badhana, he said. He is tying this. So something has to do there. Paschad vatsam apanaya iti shrutva. Then he hears the bala. Vatsam apanaya. So Uttama Vriddha said this. Madhyama Vriddha will take the calf away. Shrutva pravrittam madhyama vriddham drashtva tad vakyasya tad kriya bodhakatvam anuminoti. He says, oh, this vakya and this kriya has sambandha. Vatsam badhana means the tying of the kriya of the calf. Vatsam apanaya, releasing and taking it away. So now what he will do? Ayam cha badhana pada udvapat apanaya pada avapacha. Apanaya pada, not pada. Apanaya pada avapacha. This is called udvapa avapa. Badhana pada is added to what's apanaya pada avapa. Removing one pada, adding one pada, one meaning comes. Adding apanaya, removing badhana, another meaning comes. So Vatsa Padasya Pashu Vishesha Shakti. He understands, oh, Vatsa is common in both. Vatsa means this calf. This Pashu Vishesha Vatsa Padasya Shakti. So Shakti Grahanam happens when there is all these lot lakaras are used, Badhana, Apanaya, ityadi. So therefore, any pada should have ling lot tavya. Then only there is jnana. Evam badhanadi padasya badhanadi padasya
Adhyavapa.
it should be avapa. Avapa udvapa. Badhanadi padasya avapa udvapa. और अध्यावाप उद्वाप उद्वापात शक्ति ज्ञानम भवति. बधान पद अध्यावाप और आवाप उद्वाप. Adding, releasing, he understands shakti jnanam of that. So vatsam badhana, ashwam badhana, pashum badhana, in this way. So badhana is there, everything tying. So he understands, oh, badhana means tying something. And therefore तथा च सिद्धार्थानां पशुः अत्र अस्ति इत्यादीनाम अपि तम पश्य इति अध्याहृत कार्यबोधकत्वम एव इति मन्यते. Therefore, even if there is a siddhartha vakya, siddharthanam pashuhu atra asti, here there is a pashu, tam pashya, see that. So some pashya is there, therefore lot lakar has come. Then it is karya bodhakam. Tan uttarayati, the answer is given, no, that is not true. Nacha karya paranam eva pramanyam. Chaitra putraste jata ityadau siddhe api sangati grahat. Chaitra putraste jata, you have a child now. This vakya, in that there is no karya. It is siddha bodhaka vakya, but it is pramana vakya, it will produce jnana. In such vakya, sangati graha is there. I'm going to complete this. तम टीका टिप्पणी तम पश्य इति अनध्याहृत्यापि संगति ग्रहस्य टीका प्रदर्शित प्रकारेण उपपत्तेः. टीका प्रदर्शित प्रकार इज दिस पुत्रस्य जातः, एंड फर्दर इन टीका इट इज गिवन in टीका पुत्र पदांकित वसनम चैत्र पुरतो निधाय हे चैत्र पुत्रस्ते जात इति उक्ते विकसित वदन कमलम चैत्रम अवलोक्य अस्य पुत्र पदस्य सुतरूपे अर्थे संगतिम तटस्थो गृह्णाति इति पुत्रस्ते जातः कन्याते गर्भिणी इत्यादौ संगति ग्रहात् इत्यर्थः. Chaitra is in different village, but when he sees a cloth with the foot marks of his little child newborn, so he understands putraste jata, this vakya, and this pramana is also there that yes, this is the newborn child's footprints. So putra padankita vasanam, vasanam means cloth. Chaitra purato nidhaya, somebody puts in front of Chaitra who is in another village somewhere far. He says, hey Chaitra putraste jata. So Chaitra's face will become big. Vikasita vadana kamalam. Seeing this, somebody who is tatastha purusha, standing apart, Chaitram avalokya asya putra padasya sutarupe arthe sangatim. Putra means a child is born. Footmark is there. He sees everything. So he will get sangati graha. Sangatim tatastho grinhati iti. Putraste jataha, kanyate garbhini, a child is born, or your daughter is pregnant now. Ityadav sangati grahat. Daughter means unmarried daughter is pregnant. That's so he will have face which is dull now in this way. Upasamharati is concluding now. Evam सर्व प्रमाण विरुद्धम श्रुति स्मृति इतिहास पुराण प्रतिपाद्यम जीव पर ऐक्यम अनुस्वार वेदांत शास्त्रस्य विषय इति सिद्धम. In this way, all pramana aviruddham shruti smriti itihasa purana pratipadyam jiva paraikyam is the Vedanta Shastrasya Vishaya iti siddham. So in Tippani, it was said, Sangati Graha is possible without even doing Adhyahara of Tampashya Ityadi. And last sentence in Tippani, Karyanvita Swartha Bodhane Gauravachya. Karyanvita Padartha alone is required for Swartha Bodhanam Pada Shakti. In that there is Gaurava Dosha. All these Drishtantas, they are given in Vivarana, in Panchapadika, Chitsukhi, Khandan, all this. Chaitraha, Putraste Jataha, Kanyate Garbhini, all these Prabhakara Purva Paksha, but in detail there is a discussion. Here, Vedanta Paribhashakara's objective is to introduce to all these concepts which are there in the Brihat Prasthana, Proud Granthas. Tika Upasamharati evam Ukta Prakarena Sarvaihi Pratyakshadi Pramanaihi Aviruddham. In this way, all Pratyakshadi Pramanaihi Aviruddham. Tatra ko mohaha kashokaha ekatvam anupashyataha. This is Shruti Avirodha. Ekatvam means Jiva Brahma Aikya. Then the phalam is Shoka Moha Nivritti. Tatra means Vidya Kale. Kshetrajnam chapi mam vidhi sarva kshetreshu bharata ityadi smritivihi. Elaborate bhashya and tika are there on this 13th chapter, second shloka. To do this Jiva Brahma Aikya, Bhagavan says, I am Kshetrajna. I am this Sakshi. Sarva bhutantarasthaya nitya shuddha chidatmane pratyak chaitanya rupaya mahyameva namo namaha. Ityadi itihasahi, most likely this should be Ashtavakra Gita, because this namo, mahyam eva namo namaha, such shlokas are there. That which is sarva bhutantara, that which is nitya shuddha chidatma, pratyak chaitanya rupa, me, salutations to myself. Mahyam eva namo namaha. Vibheda janake jnane nashamatyantikam gate atmano brahmano bhedam asantam kaha karishyati. Vibheda janaka is ajnana. When the ajnanas atyantika nasha takes place, means it doesn't come back again. Atyantikam nasham gate ajnane nasham gate atmano brahmano bhedam asantam. Now bheda is not there between Atma and Brahma. Kaha karishyati. Kaha bhedam karishyati. Bheda which is not there, who can create bheda? Ityadi puranaischa tatparyataya pratipadyam. In this way, tatparya of all the Shruti, Smruti, Itihasa, Purana is Jiva Brahma Aikya. In this way, this pratipadanam is done. With this, Vishaya Paricheda is complete. With Moolam, Tika, Tippani, everything. Now, last Paricheda is Prayojanam. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shantihi Shantihi Shantihi. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah. Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shantihi Shantihi Shantihi.